Mechanical keyboards, individual mechanical switches for each key. These switches are more robust and provide a distinct tactile feedback and audible click when pressed compared to the rubber dome switches found in most standard keyboards. Here are some key features and aspects of mechanical keyboards. There are several types of mechanical switches, each with different characteristics, provides a noticeable bump when actuated, such as Cherry MX Brown. Produces an audible click along with the tactile bump, like Cherry MX Blue. Smooth keystrokes without tactile feedback, such as Cherry MX Red. Mechanical keyboards are known for their durability, often rated for tens of millions of keystrokes per switch. Many mechanical keyboards allow for keycap customization and are modular, letting users swap out switches if desired. 4. Typing experience. The tactile feedback and key travel of mechanical keyboards can provide a more satisfying typing experience for many users, especially for typing-intensive tasks or gaming. Depending on the switch type, mechanical keyboards can be louder than membrane keyboards due to the audible click or tactile bump. Mechanical keyboards are typically more expensive than membrane keyboards due to their construction and switch technology. Mechanical keyboards are popular among gamers for their responsiveness and tactile feedback, which can enhance gaming performance. Popular brands of mechanical keyboards include Corsair, Razer, Logitech, and Ducky, among others. The choice of a mechanical keyboard often comes down to personal preference regarding switch type, typing feel, and budget.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.